Welcome to Convenience Talk. My name is Melanie, and today's topic is how to search for C-store owners using Minnesota's UST database. So the first resource that I want to show you is a blog post on Convenience Talk, and what it has is a list of links to all the UST databases organized by state. So if I go down and I pull up Minnesota, clicking on this link, it will bring you to this page. And if you click on this link, you'll come to this search page, and what I did is I just hit search and it brought up this list, and it shows there's 2,700 sites found. And then when I brought up one of these records, you can see there's very little information. It pretty much has the site name and the address and the tanks that are found on site. And that's it for Minnesota. My name is Melanie, and thank you for watching this video.